Hello, in this video I will guide you how to apply a two colors gradient fill to the page in Microsoft Word. So for this you would need to click on the design tab and go to the page color. Click on that, and after that you need to go to the fill effect. Click on fill effects. So in this here you can see if you want to apply a one color you need to click on the one color, and here you can select the color. For example, I'm selecting this yellow color, and if you want to apply two colors then click on the two colors, and here you need to click the second color, and I'm selecting. So in the preview bar you can see that the both colors are showing here, and here you can, in the shading style, you can mix and match. You can see there are verticals and there are diagonal up and the diagonal down, from corner, from centers. So whatever the your choice you can apply that, and after that you need to click on that. Okay, so here you can see that the gradient color is applied on the Word MS Word document page. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope this video helps you to understand how to apply two color gradient fill to the page in Word. Thanks for watching.